Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Good evening, fellow citizens of Nigeria. I want to make all of you borrow me on ear because they say if two children will be from say mama enter room, by the time when they come out, then go fight to break their head. So this my head today. If you are ready to break them, make you shatter the head. Yes, no, let me share. The head no fit cost one cup of money for anybody. But I want us to tell ourselves the truth, because Bible says, "Tell the truth, and the truth shall set you free." We have been living in this country with a lot of deceits. And if you look at the history of Nigeria, from the days of the British Northern and Southern amalgamation, Nigeria is a scam. If you look at the president of Nigeria and the situations going on in Nigeria, Nigeria is a scam. I know they look in my eye again, because it be like some of them, they enter my eye. Because this truth we have to tell ourselves. Now, we are in a situation where we don't even know whether we should go right or we should go left. Election is coming now. Who wants to be president of Nigeria? Everybody, don't they? Every rat, don't they bring head come up for their own? Everybody wants to be president. And the major contender that wants to be the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is my father, Jagaban. And now, according to you people, according to the citizens, according to everything that you people are saying, you people say that Jagaban is a scam. Certificate, scam. Age, scam. State of origin, scam. School, scam. Wait here again. Business, scam. Health, scam. His name self, according to, is a scam. And is contending in a country that is already a scam. What remain? What remain? The devil we know is better than the angel we don't know. Let us stop deceiving ourselves. It is better we deal with a scammer than to go and bring a fake pastor or all these people we don't know. Because if we don't accept our faith, these people that are incoming in pretense, they're gonna scam us. Because the pastor says scamming Papa. He play humble. In Papa want go for presidency now. He don't scam the trust. You see that this country is a scam. Even the money we are spending is a scam. Fellow Nigerians, if you want to listen to the truth that my mind is telling me to advise you people, do you understand? Nigeria is a scam. And we are dealing with scammers. And the chief scammer has come out that he wants to be president. Please, let the chief scammer rule the country. Because, so, that's just my candid advice. I know Sabi Jagaban. I don't get business with Jagaban. They don't send me message. Now, truth, I just say make we say. And if you not think, say what I talk, no make sense. Who now want bring? Make we not bring the person out, make we know. But me, as I dare so, me, I don't tell myself the truth. Let this scammer rule this scam country, and so that we can all know that, yes, we have given the cat to the dog to be watching for us. Hey, Jagaban no kuku go steal na money. He go just generate his own words. Now the thing where me I feel be that man don't get everything. The only thing where just want to complete in portfolio. Make una please give him president of Nigeria. If he enter, he go bring all these young all of una. Make it come rule. If Jagaban here shoot you, he no feel on a die with that. I don't know what thing they fire up and down. It's any àwọn kan ti sọ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lẹ ń lọ àdúrà náà la máa fi ti fún yín. Let the scammer rule the scam. It's very simple. If not, we will still be scammed for another 8 years. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless me, my moi. And God bless you all. Listen to the truth and let's do the needful. Get your PVC and learn to vote right. And don't forget, Nigeria is already a scam country. Yeah, my name is just Adito. I don't know. I don't even know where to start. You people didn't get me at all. Everything I said was pure sarcasm. By now, you should know that me, just Adito, I am the last man standing. Last man standing to my body for me. I can't. We started this battle together. They ruined this Nigeria in our face. We've been crying and clamoring for a better Nigeria. We know what we want for ourselves. No matter how much they try, they cannot break us. Jagaban cannot, dare not approach me to offer me a penny. Nobody. If they try it, 1,000 times they have been trying and 1,000 times they have been failing. I want you to trust me that my love is for the nation, is for everybody, and not for just one man's ambition. Possible. Where were they during the NSAS? Where were they when we were crying for Iniolua? Where were they when every day our children are dying? No hospital, no security in the north and the south, in the east and the west. Why would it be me, of all people? Ironla, you people should calm down. Anytime I talk, people say, should they insult them? If I talk, they'll say, they are old enough to be your father. I say, see, these people are animals. We speak the language they understand. Now, I use sarcasm. Una not even dare my page at all. Would do me. But you know what? This made me to know how much, whether it is in Nigeria, everywhere in the world, how people so trust me, how people so respect me, how people so believe me. And I want to tell you that that still remains the same. Possible. I will not jeopardize the love to have a better Nigeria, a greater tomorrow, not for me, for our children. I will not jeopardize it for one man's ambition, whoever that person is. Where you people move with, where you move towards, what you move for, what you stand by is what I stand by. And what I stand by is we have to build a new Nigeria. And if you watch toward the end of the post, I said nobody send this man. If they shoot you, one part, you don't die. You not get energy. Now ambition you won't fulfill. And I said it, let's get our PVC. I have been passing my messages in different ways. I go where Sultana talk, we go shout, to write letter, write petition. We go do everything, swear for these people. We do everything. But this one, when I not get this my English, please and please, people should do like this. I am for Nigeria. I am not for one man.